Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi World. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you a healthy snack recipe that is Phool Makhana Chivda. Phool Makhana is also known as fox nuts or lotus seeds. This snack is unbelievably addictive, very healthy and even good for weight loss. When it is prepared with some dry fruits, it's totally out of this world. So let's get started. Please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I have taken 200 grams of Phool Makhana, half cup of cashews, half cup of fried gram, half cup of peanuts, half cup of almonds, half cup of pista, mustard seeds, dry red chilies, curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. First, in a heated kadai or a vessel, add in the Phool Makhana. And roast it well until it's nice and crisp. To check whether it's done, just take one Phool Makhana and press it between two fingers. If it easily breaks through, then it's perfectly done. Now I shall turn off the stove and set this aside. Next, in a heated pan, add in sufficient amount of oil. Once the oil is heated, add in mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add in all the nuts and saute it until it turns golden brown in color. Next, add in red chilies and curry leaves and toss it well. Next, add in the spice powders. Turn off the stove and give it a good mix until well combined. Now let's add this fried mixture to Phool Makhana. And toss it well until well combined. Tasty, healthy Phool Makhana Chivda is ready to be served. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.